Schreiner's computer science program was established in 2023 to meet the ever-growing needs of the industry. Our students get the most from our in-person classes and small class sizes, as opposed to the lonely big class sizes you find at bigger universities. At a larger institution, you might not think that you're going to feel lonely, but because of the sheer class size, the instructor might not be able to talk with you on a one-to-one basis. As opposed to here at Schreiner, where we, the teachers and professors, work with you adapting to your learning style. So why computer science? Computer science is an all-encompassing field now that is in every nook and cranny of our society. If you look around you, either virtually, on the cloud, on your cell phone, computers, vehicles, it is everywhere, and it is not going away. Jobs in fields such as cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, game design, biomedical, and other fields are expected to grow at least 69 million by 2027. Here at Schreiner, we will teach you all of these and more, plus we will have you connected with the local and national industry partners. Due to our small size, we're able to work with you to build out your portfolio throughout each class. You will get customized templates for your projects, and then at the end of the class, you're able to put that directly on a job-ready resume. Even though we are a new department here at Schreiner, we are building our network of industry partners for our students. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, Google, and more. At the same time, we're helping our students get their foot in the door by helping them work on projects based on real-life issues and skills that these companies are looking for. Computer science is affecting every part of our society, and it is not going away. Here at Schreiner, we're going to prepare you for the change by giving you the tools to thrive in such an environment. Come join us here at Schreiner. We welcome every one of you.